Data is essential in today's world, and its quality is crucial for businesses to make informed decisions. However, raw data is often messy and unstructured, and it requires cleansing and transforming to make it usable. Data cleansing and transformation are critical steps in data analysis and can improve the accuracy and reliability of results. Let's discuss 6 different ways to cleanse and transform data.
First, remove missing values. Missing values can also affect data analysis. There are different ways to handle missing values, such as deleting rows, imputing values, or using machine learning algorithms to fill the missing values. Second, remove duplicates. Duplicates can affect the accuracy of data analysis. Therefore, removing duplicates is essential. This can be done by using Excel or Python libraries like Pandas. Third, standardize data. Data standardization involves converting data into a common format, making it easier to compare and analyze. This can be done by converting text to lowercase, removing special characters, and converting units of measurement. Then, normalize data. Normalizing data involves scaling data to a standard range. This can be done by using techniques like min-max scaling, z-score normalization, or robust scaling. Next, convert data types. Data types need to be consistent for effective data analysis. This can be done by converting data types like text to numerical, categorical to numerical, or numerical to categorical. Finally, feature engineering. Feature engineering is the process of creating new features from existing data. This can be done by using techniques like one-hot encoding, binning, or creating interaction features. I hope you enjoyed our content. Don't forget to follow our page. Like and subscribe for more actionable tips in fast-tracking your tech career behind certifications for today's most in-demand roles.